LTS introduces a new line of copper cables that are 99.99% oxygen-free, reducing the chance of oxidation and loss of conductivity. Available in Cat5e and Cat6. Oxygen-free copper, or OFC, is an alloy that's refined to remove impurities and leave trace amounts of oxygen. For a better return on investment and savings on total cost of ownership, OFC cables are a smart choice because they provide more power, improve efficiency, and reduce the strain on electrical systems compared to non-OFC and aluminum cables. LTS's OFC cables come ROHS compliant and pass Fluke testing. The CMR Rated and UL listed cables have a lower risk of damaging devices due to overheating and insufficient power transfer. As the surveillance market shifts to 4K resolution as the standard, be ready to upgrade devices by advancing your project with LTS OFC cables. For more information about these products, contact your security consultant today.